In this tutorial we talking about the chamfer. So this is same as the fillet, but in fillet we talking the about radius. We talking about the radius. In this we talking about the length of the chamfer. It's here not radius, but straight line cut is there. We see directly this, and length is 5 mm. So that this is cutting in 45 degree. This is cutting in 45 degree to the two edges, this one and this one. So that is the fact. So we as select the surface and going to the chamfer directly at a time. 4 edges are chamfered at a time. With this selecting the surface. So this is a very interesting and very useful command, chamfer. So I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for watching this video.